kidding me?
Hey Mom, are you gonna drink from that big bottle?
It's more milk.
I don't know where it comes from.
Here we are, Wisconsin Dells.
They'll actually crouch a little bit. You gotta get on your toes as high as you can for
About to feed the baby giraffe.
Come on, buddy. Show them the bottle. Come over. Look what we got. Come on, buddy. You might walk towards them a little bit. You gotta tease them into the building so I can lock them up in the night. There you go.
Yeah, bring them in here. Oh my God.
And don't be afraid of him. I'll put the bottle in his mouth. Put it in his mouth. Let him get it. No, tip it up. Tip it up. Up, up, up. High you go. There you go. Don't push. Yeah, he'll push back.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, get a video.
I'm videotaping it.
And just make sure it keeps eating. Yeah, try again. I ain't got it.
How do you get one?
Yeah, back up, Mom.
Keep coming in. Tip it up.
Tip it up.
Hands to the ceiling. Let's get some pictures.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my God.
Just so you know, people have paid over $1,000 for that.
I totally.
Thank you.
Boy, that's drinking it fast.
Once he's done, then you pull the bottle out and you go out the door.
That's it, honey.
That's
Wow.
Out the door, Mom.
Yeah, because he can't kick.
He can
Oh.
get.
Oh yes, he can kick right down. Unbelievable.
Oh man, what a treat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wow. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi.